Once we land on the website, first go to the dashboard. From there, you'll find this option. Since there are no teams yet, we need to create one first. So let's create a team. We'll name it after our business and click Create Team. Next, you'll notice there are no chatbots yet. That means we need to create our first chatbot from here. Click here, then rename your chatbot. Now we'll enter the required details. You should select your business category so the bot understands your use case. I'm selecting SaaS here. You can also add a business description, but I'll skip that for now and move to the next step. In the next step, we can customize the chatbot. Here you'll see the welcome message, which you can edit. You can also add custom instructions for users. This can be a longer description to guide how the chatbot should behave. After that, choose the authentication mode. You can select anonymous access or require email. If you choose email, users must enter their email before starting a chat. For now, I'll select anonymous. Next, choose the widget position, either bottom right or bottom left. I'll go with bottom right. Then, select your brand color. I'll just pick a random color here. You also have the option to enable voice chat. Keep in mind that voice chat uses 2x credits. You can enable it if needed. Now move to the next step. Here you'll see a summary of your setup. Once everything looks good, click Create Chatbot. Your chatbot will start creating. Once it's ready, go to the Install option, copy the code, and paste it into your website. Additionally, you can add a knowledge base to your chatbot. This means uploading PDFs or documents, or even using your website URL. I'll add a website URL here. Once added, the chatbot will automatically pull data from it. You can name this source, and once added, it will process and appear in your list. When it's ready, you'll see a green indicator. From then on, your chatbot will use this data to answer user questions. You can also set up FAQs, frequently asked questions. You can add up to 5 featured FAQs that appear at the start, and around 10 more in the basic plan. Higher plans increase these limits. You can customize this section as needed, but I'll skip it for now. Finally, you can always go back to the dashboard settings and use the Customize options to further adjust your chatbot. That's it for chatbot creation and implementation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through our support channels. We're here to help. Thank you.